Hey guys, I'm Akshay from Beebom.com, and while Rupesh was in San Francisco for the Galaxy S20 launch, we got a chance to check out the upcoming Galaxy M31. So obviously I jumped on the opportunity. I've used the Galaxy M31 for a bit already and I thought why not share a first look of the phone with you guys. But before we get started, how about you hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post an awesome new video. Now that you've done that, let's take a look at the Galaxy M31. First up, the display. So we posted a tweet about the M31 a few days back and a lot of you were wondering if the rear mounted fingerprint scanner here meant that the phone will come with an IPS LCD display. Fortunately, the answer is no. This here is a stunning Super AMOLED panel, which is great because, well, AMOLED panels are just better, right? I mean, they have deep blacks, punchy colors, great contrast, the whole shebang, and in my brief usage of the phone, this display does look nice. There's also the teardrop notch up front with the selfie camera that enables face unlock on the phone, which is handy to have, and the fingerprint scanner too seems to be decently fast. What's even more impressive is that the Galaxy M31 comes with a monster 6000 mAh battery. Yeah, that is huge. Now, I haven't really used the phone long enough to fully test out the battery here, but come on, it's 6000 mAh. And I guess it should last a day and a half with ease. Also, even with that massive 6000 mAh battery, this phone, it's pretty lightweight and that is pretty cool. Then there are the cameras. The Galaxy M31 comes with a quad camera setup on the back with a 64 megapixel primary camera, an ultra wide angle camera, a macro lens and a depth sensor thrown in for good measure. Well, I took a couple of pictures with the phone, so let's check them out. Take a look at this picture. You must be thinking that this is probably a macro shot taken with the Galaxy M31 and I don't blame you. But let me show you a different perspective. Yeah, that's the actual photo. Pretty cool, right? Here's another picture and once again this is a zoomed in shot. Here's the actual picture. Clearly the 64 megapixel sensor here gets a lot of detail and that's pretty great. The 64 megapixel camera does get some good shots as you can see from these pictures and that's definitely nice. I also took some ultra wide angle shots as well as some macro shots with this phone and they look decent enough too. I'm excited to test these cameras out more thoroughly over the next few days and I'll share my opinion on them in our first impressions video that we are working on. Like I said earlier, I've only used the Galaxy M31 for a short while, but so far it looks like an interesting phone. The phone is launching on February 25th and we are expecting Samsung to price it somewhere under 15,000 rupees, which should be a decent price for the phone. Well, that was your first look at the Galaxy M31. So what do you think about this phone and about the 64 megapixel camera here? Let us know in the comments. Also give this video a like and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our Galaxy M31 first impressions and all of our amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.